Hello student, next student question. Next we will solve question based on greatest integer function and fractional part. Before solving these questions, let us discuss few points related to the greatest integer functions here. So my dear children, here greatest integer function means also known as floor functions. Also known as floor functions. The nickname is also known as floor functions and greatest integer functions. Okay, greatest I for integer functions is there for functions symbol. This is the symbol of greatest integer function. So whatever the values here, the number which will come out, that will be always integer. That will be always integer. Okay, that will be always integers. Okay, let's suppose here 5.7. Now let us draw 5.7 on number line. This is the 5, this is the 6. Of course 5.7 will come in somewhere in between 5 to 7. So what is the floor? Left hand side value 5. The floor value left hand side value is 5. So the GIF of 5.7 will come 5. But for same for negative 5.7, the output will come minus 6. The reason is we have here minus 5 and minus 6. The minus 5.7 will come in between somewhere minus 5.7. What is the floor value here? Minus 6 is the floor left hand side value. Floor value we will take minus 6. These are the small things. Okay, so by using this concept we will solve this concept here. 1.8 is a positive value, so simply the output will come here 1. Here only integer function, integer value is 1. Here integer value is 2. Here integer value is 2. And again here floor value or integer value is 2. If you add all, 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 1 8. Now next part is fractional part. My dear children, fractional part is represented by this curly bracket and greatest integer function is represented by this square bracket. This is very important. The greatest integer function, sorry, fractional part values we can find out by subtracting function x minus the GIF of x. This is the formula to find out fractional part, and fractional part will be always positive whose values lies from 0 to less than 1. So it means it may be 0, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0.3, 0 point up to 9, but integer will not come, means less than 1. Okay, so now for negative 2.4, for negative here 2.4, and second we write here minus 2.4 plus minus 1.4 plus minus 0.4, fractional part of 0.4, and next fractional part of 2.4 here. Okay, so after that here for negative, for positive it is very easy to identify 0.4 to here 0.4, but for negative little bit small calculation is there. For negative, let's suppose minus 2.4, apply the formula. First write out the function, that is apply here x minus 2.4 as it is minus of GIF of 2.4. So function 2.4 x1 GIF of minus 2.4 will do that minus 3. So minus 2.4 plus 3, if you subtract 3.0 minus 2.4, it will come 0.6 here. It will come 0.6 here. So my dear children, if you have to find out the fractional part of negative number, means directly we look at here 0.4 means here how much more need to get 1, that is 0.6. Here 0.4 means direct 0.6. Here 0.4 means directly 0.6. No need to calculate again this much calculations. Okay, so here 0.6, here 0.6, here 0.6. This is a positive fraction part, positive number, so 0.4 will be as it is. This is a very easy to identify here. Fractional part is 0.4 only, so 0.4. After that, do the calculation, add them. Up to here it is 1.8, up to here it is 1 6 6 is 18, up to it is 1.4 plus, oh, sorry, 0.8 it is. Okay, 4 plus 4 after adding 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 2.6 is the 2.6 is the value of this fractional part. Okay, so be ready for such type of questions. Next, one of the important aspect in this category come, that is the graph of inequalities. So to draw the graph of inequalities, first we will calculate x intercept and y intercept. This is called y intercept, means what is the point, or intercept means where it will cut the y-axis. It's called y-intercept. Okay, so to get the y-intercept, we will put x equal to 0. We know that on the y-axis x will be always 0. After putting x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 2, means 0 comma 2 will be y-intercept. After that, next, to get the x-intercept, means where it will intersect the x-axis, that is called y x intercept. Okay, so put y is equal to 0. We know very well that on the horizontal line x axis y will be always 0. So after putting the values, we are getting equal to y is equal to 0, and 2 will go this side, minus 4 by 3 means minus 4 by 3 comma 0, and the numerical value of decimal value of minus 4 by 3 will lies between minus 1 and 2. You can see here between minus 1 and 2. So one point we will have on minus 4 by 3 comma 0, that is on the x-axis, and another on y-axis, that is 0 comma 2. Just join them, you will get a graph of the given equation. Now one more things here, important thing, that's here we have equality symbol. That's why this the line will be solid. Okay, if this equality is not available, only inequality means this will be dashed line. Now come to the shading part. So it is greater than, so we will shade the above the line. If it is less than, we will shade below the line. So this all about the graph. I hope that you would have understood it. If any doubt, you can pin me in message box. Thank you very much.